Welcome back to DesignIY with part 2 of our bathroom demolition, where we get to remove a cast iron tub using just 274 very easy steps. On today's episode of DesignIY, we're going to be removing the cast iron tub. Where's my sledgehammer?
Good Lord.
No. We need music. Music. Somebody. Yep, definitely ran out of music. Just play it again. Good Lord, that was exhausting. I hurt for at least a week after that. I was using a 15-pound sledge, couldn't get my hands on a 20 or a 25. I would recommend that if you can handle that. Especially a larger room, that would have helped. I could not get my full proper swings in there, letting gravity do the work, so there was a little bit more muscle involved than there should have been for using a sledgehammer to get all of that out. But moving back, I probably would not have done it any other way. We got it into small enough pieces to carry off in 5-gallon buckets and either put in a trash can, or in our case, we took it to a local scrap yard and just counted it as scrap. So thanks for watching this episode of DesignIY. Be sure and watch the next video where we take care of the rest of the demolition for the entire bathroom and get to what really matters. That's putting everything back together. For right now, this is Marcus with DesignIY, and we're signing out. We'll see you guys. Make it 275.